How to write the best motivation letter for university admissions. A motivation letter is one of the most important parts of your university application. It is your chance to tell the university who you are, why you want to study there, and what makes you a strong candidate. A well-written motivation letter can increase your chances of admission and even help you win scholarships. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to write a powerful motivation letter that stands out. Let's start by understanding what a motivation letter is. A motivation letter is a personal document that explains your reasons for applying to a specific university and program. It highlights your academic background, relevant skills, and future goals. Unlike a CV, which lists achievements, a motivation letter focuses on your passion and aspirations. Now, let's talk about how to structure a perfect motivation letter. The letter should be well organized and engaging. It should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. The first paragraph is the introduction. This is where you grab attention. Start by mentioning the university and program you are applying for. Briefly introduce yourself and explain what motivates you. For example, you could begin like this. I am excited to apply for the Masters in Data Science at Tampere University because it aligns perfectly with my passion for artificial intelligence and data-driven decision-making. Now, let's move to the second paragraph. This section should focus on your academic and professional background. Explain what you have studied so far and how it relates to the program you are applying for. Highlight key academic achievements and any relevant work experience. For instance, you could say, during my bachelor's in computer science, I developed a strong foundation in machine learning and data analytics. My final year project on predictive modeling inspired me to further explore AI. I also completed an internship at a leading tech company, where I worked on real-world data projects. The third paragraph should explain why you are choosing this university and program. Show that you have researched the university. Mention specific courses, professors, or research areas that interest you. Explain how the program fits into your career goals. For example, Tampere University's strong focus on AI and data science research, along with courses like advanced machine learning and big data analytics, make it the ideal choice for me. I am particularly interested in the research work of Professor, insert name, whose projects align with my career aspirations. The fourth paragraph should focus on your future goals. What do you want to achieve after graduation? How will this program help you reach your goals? You could say, after completing my master's, I aim to work as a data scientist, using AI to solve real-world problems. In the long term, I hope to contribute to AI research and eventually mentor students passionate about this field. Now, let's move to the final paragraph, the conclusion. Summarize your key points and end with a strong closing statement. Express enthusiasm and gratitude for the opportunity to apply. For example, I am eager to bring my passion, technical skills, and research interests to Tampere University. I believe this program will be a crucial step in my career, and I look forward to contributing to the academic community. Thank you for considering my application. Now that you know the structure of a strong motivation letter, let's go over some important writing tips. Keep your letter clear and concise. Ideally, it should be around 500 to 700 words. Use professional yet natural language. Show enthusiasm, but keep it formal. Avoid generic statements. Instead of saying, I love AI, explain what specific aspects of AI excite you. Give examples to support your claims. Instead of saying, I am hardworking, mention a project where you demonstrated dedication. Finally, proofread your letter carefully. Grammar mistakes can leave a bad impression. Ask a professor or mentor for feedback before submitting. Let's also discuss common mistakes to avoid. Do not copy and paste the same letter for multiple universities. Each motivation letter should be tailored to the specific university and program. Avoid making your letter too long or too short. Keep it focused and to the point. Do not be too generic. Statements like, I want to study computer science because I love technology, are not convincing. Provide specific reasons. Make sure your letter is well structured. A poorly organized letter is difficult to read and may weaken your application. By following these guidelines, you can create a strong and compelling motivation letter that increases your chances of getting admitted to your dream university. Are you currently writing a motivation letter? Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on university admissions and study abroad tips. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.